안녕하세요.
Handolin, thank you for the school uniform of Ayana.
한도님, thank you so much for my school uniform. 감사합니다. Bye-bye.
Hello, Ate Pipi. Karinak. Hay nako, kata hagbaghat ka. Dali, ato.
Arara ka mo!
Ano yung room nila? First day school nila. Brian and Elgin. And Queenie. Who's Queenie? Ah. Queenie. Hey, Queenie. Unay sila. Classmate nilang Brian, Queenie, Elgin, and Brian sa grade 7. First day of school. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. First day school nilang Ayena and Jocelyn sa high school.
First day of school, kainin. Ay, dyan si ate. Kainday mo na, uy.
Yaman ako school.
Annyeonghaseyo.
Annyeonghaseyo.
Now you have to read the English, then you have to translate in Bisaya. And kita na ansa.
Rolly's butterfly. Rolly wants a butterfly. Si Rolly kay ganahan og alibangbang. Rolly has a sheet of paper. Si Rolly kay naay isa ka papel. She gives her mother a sharp new pencil. Iyang gitagaan niyang mama og talinis na lapis.
Rolly's mother draws a picture of a butterfly. Rolly colored the picture with watercolor. She makes blue and red wings for the butterfly. Wow! It's look ready to fly. Alam, mura naman ang mulupad. She wants to make a green eyes for the butterfly. Ginahan siya buhat of green nga mata para sa libangbang. She does not have a green color. Wala siya green color.
Rolly's mother drew a picture of a butterfly. Mama ni Rolly nag-drawing of picture sa paru-paro. Rolly colored the picture with watercolor. Ikoloran ni Rolly ang picture with watercolor. She make blue and red wings for the butterfly. Nabuhat siya og asol sa kuwa na kako para sa butterfly. Wow, it looks ready to fly. Hala, padong naman ang ulupad. She wants to make green eyes for the butterfly. Siya ganahan muhimo o berde nga mata para siyang halibangbang. She does not have green color. Wala siya dapat berde nga color.
Rolly's butterflies. Rolly wants a butterfly. Si Rolly ganahan ng alibangbang. Rolly has a sheet of paper. Si Rolly nahay papel. She gave her mother a sharp pencil. Si Rolly yatagan niya baba o bago na lapis.
A picture of a butterfly. Ang mama ni Rolly kay nag-drawing og alibangbang. Rolly colored the picture with watercolor. Si Rolly nag-drawing og picture with watercolor. She makes blue and red wings for the butterfly. Naghimo siya og asol o Rolly's mother tells her to mix blue and yellow colors. Ang mama ni Rolly ngayon na mix ang asol o dilaw na color. Rolly mix the color. Mix ni Rolly ang color.
8 color.